typing is important, and in this video we will discuss about typing software. How to learn typing for free. All about typing software. The software we are going to use for the typing is Typing Master Pro. It's one of the famous software, and this is a one free software. This is a not paid software. You can install in your laptop or computer. So I will show you in my laptop. So watch this video till end. You can subscribe to my channel and you can hit the bell icon to watch more informative videos and informative tutorials. No drama, no studies, only creativity and knowledge. So let's start. So hi guys, this is Arman and welcome back to Information Zone YouTube channel. So now let's begin to our Typing Master Pro software. This is my laptop screen. Already I installed the software. I will click on it and this is the interface of Typing Master Pro software. It will ask you to enter the name. Already I enter my name, Shaik Arman Ahmed. Next, like this music will came, and these all are the exercise. Home row, word drill, bubble game, and another so many exercises are available here. Games also are available here in this software. So if you are one beginner in the typing, you have to start with home row. You have to click on it, click begin, it will guide you. So start typing. Here the time will shown. So I will type ASDF, ASDF. So like this, easily with this software you can do typing, and some of the fundamentals that you have to remember when you're doing typing. See, if you want to do typing, first you have to know the home keys. The home keys of typing is A, S, D, F and JKL. These are the home keys. So you have to keep your fingers in this home keys, then only you can do typing. And your nails should be not big. If your nails are big, you cannot do typing. So make sure your nails should be small. I will type one sentence so you see how easily I can type. That because I am keeping my fingers in A, S, D, F, J, K, L letters, in these letters. I will type over here, I am Arman. Welcome to our channel. So I type this sentence. Hi, I am Arman. Welcome to our channel. So you can see easily I type this sentence because already I learned typing. And remember, these A, S, D, F and J, K, L are the home keys. So subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon to get videos notification to you.